Question number 3, paper 2, June 1984. In the corridor ABCD, P is the foot of the perpendicular from B to AD. P is the perpendicular from B to AD, and it is 90 degrees, shows that it is perpendicular. And the Q is the foot of perpendicular from B to DC. Q is the perpendicular from B to DC, and 90 degrees shows that it is a perpendicular. AD is equal to 20, A to D is 20, the length is A to D. The CD is 19.6 and it is C to D. C to D is 19.6 and the BP 9.6. BP 9.6. BQ is equal to 12 centimeter and the BQ is 12 centimeter and angle ADC is 90. ADC is 90 degree. Calculate the area of triangle BCD. So BC and D is the area of this. So actually BCD is, if a drawing is made separately, we can see that it is B, it is D and it is C. But the perpendicular distance from B to DC is basically 12. It is 12. So the area must be 1/2 multiplied by base multiplied by height, and the base is DC and it is 19.6. So it is 1/2 multiplied by base is 19.6 and the height is 12, and we can cut and divide by 2 both, 2 on the 2 and 2 6 are 12. So remaining is 19.6 multiplied by 6. Since it is a question of paper 2, we can use calculator here. So it is basically 19.6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 117.6. So it is 117.6 centimeter square. So the answer is 117.6 centimeter square. Now move to part B. The second part, calculate the area of corridor ABCD. We have found the area of this triangle ABCD and it is 117.6 centimeter square. Now we have to, if we find the area of triangle ABD, this one, it will, when we add the two triangle, area of two triangle, it become corridor ABCD. Now the area of triangle ABCD, it is A, it is B and D. So area of ABD, it is 20 and the height is 9.6. So the area of triangle must be 1/2 multiplied by base is 20 and the height is 9.6. So we divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 times are 20 and it is 10 multiplied by 9.6. So it becomes 96 centimeter square. So the area of corridor, area of ABCD, so it is 117.6 plus 96 and it becomes 76 and the plus 96, it is 213.6. So the area become 213.6. 213.6 centimeter square. So the answer is 213.6 centimeter square. And the part 3, calculate the angle PAB. We have to find this angle. So if we see that this is basically a right angle triangle, it is 90 and it is 9.6 and it is A, it is P and it is B. So the height is 20. The height is 20 from, it is 12. So it must be 8. It must be 8 up to here. It is 8, and the rest one is 12. So it becomes 20. So we take 8 as 8. Now we have to find this angle. So we have to apply the trigonometrical ratio here, and it is from the angle, it is perpendicular and it is adjacent. So we must apply tangent and tangent A, or we write tangent angle PAB is equal to perpendicular upon base or opposite upon adjacent. So it is 9.6 adjacent upon opposite upon adjacent, and it is actually the tangent theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent or perpendicular upon base. So we can find the angle by angle PAB must be tangent inverse 9.6 divided by 8. Now we use calculator. 9.6 divided by 8 is equal to inverse tangent. So 50.19. So the answer is angle PAB is equal to 51 degree. Now the part 4, prove the triangle ABP and CQB are similar. So APB, if it is similar to CQB, AP must be AP upon CQ must be BP upon QB. So AP is basically AP is 8 and it is 12. So AP is 8 and the CQ is, if it is 9.6, so it must be 10. So CQ must be 10 and the similar ratio must be BP is 9.6 upon QB. So QB is 12. So we see that if we cut it 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, it is 4 upon 5, and if we remove the decimal decimal here, and when we cut it by the 10, so by the 2, so it 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16, 2 6 the 12 and 0, and the 12 5 the 60 and 12 4 the 48. So it is 4.5. The both are the ratio are same, since the ratio of two sides are same. Therefore the triangle must be similar. So it is a statement, and we can also prove by finding the angle of three angles, this angle and this angle. It is 90 degrees similar. It is 90 degrees similar. If we find this angle and this angle, this must be similar to this angle. So three angles must be similar. Angle must be similar, so that we can find the triangle are also similar. So I am sure you all must have got it. Still there is a problem, you may write in comment. I will try to reply you inshallah.